Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
But
Is it? So working from home in New York City, I'm working in my kitchen, if I'm being honest. So I am always thinking about food, what's next, what am I gonna eat? And that's why it's super important to keep healthy snacks available. So when Audrey comes or my dad, I always just have, the healthy little bites waiting for everyone. And yeah, I'm excited for you guys to try these recipes. Nothing too fancy, but
yum.
they are yummy. And why do I keep doing this today? I don't know. I'm like, preach. Let's get started. First things first, tripod, because food page, we'll show you that later. And we are gonna start by opening up your banana. So one of my favorite snacks is actually frozen bananas. I cut my banana into slices, put it in the freezer. So freaking good in a cup of milk, you don't even know. Graham, you agree? I hear you. All right, next is we're just gonna cut down the middle. Boom, and now it is time to decorate. So first I'm gonna put the cottage cheese on and then just top it off with all my toppings. And if you don't like cottage cheese, I feel like a lot of people don't like cottage cheese. You can use yogurt instead. All right, cottage cheese is in. Next, we are let's drizzle some granola. Some chocolate chips. Some strawberries. Some blueberries. Watch this, yeah, ready? Oh, you have to too. Oh, now let's put some little blueberries, I love me some berries. You can, talk chia to me. Just a little sprinkle-winkle. Usually I microwave my peanut butter for 20 to 30 seconds, but you can use yogurt or cottage cheese, whatever floats your boat. That was a great pun. Next up to bag. You see this thing? Yes, I ordered it on Amazon, and I think the size is too big for the apples, but let's see. Time for some apple nachos. I've honestly had bad luck with my apple picking. It's gonna be any better, but let's try.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. That just came out filleted. Oh, baby. All right, guest fam, so let's go. So now we're just making the nachos. Check it out. Great, so first I'm gonna heat up my almond butter for 30 seconds. 30 seconds, start it up, and then in the meantime, also heat up my cacao chocolate. Chocolate chips all over. Sprinkle.
Okay.
Granola. Are we ready yet, Mr. Almond Butter, Peanut Butter? In the comments below, let me know if you are an almond butter fan, peanut butter fan, or a cashew butter fan. This is some cacao. I love coconut. And right here we have our nacho chips. So easy. That took a little longer than it should have, but really freaking easy to make. Super delicious. And you can kind of add anything you want, just like the banana boat. As I said, I'm showing you a few of my favorites, and now instead of doing something sweet, we are doing the cucumber. The secret to everything is everything basil seeds. First, we're gonna get rid of the butt. We don't like butts. All right, let's chop. All right, so we're just gonna spread them out, guys. All right, guys, now, I made this last night. Sorry, I just wanted to get ahead of the game. Some mayo, celery. So what I realized is what you keep in your apartment is what you're going to eat. So whenever I have, crap, I'm gonna eat all the crap. And then whenever I meal prep and have my healthy stuff, I'm gonna be good. It's all about balance though, and I love my sweets. I love my healthy stuff. All right, so that's that. Now.
Happy food dance.
Woo! I didn't stretch today. So, ready for this? We call this a slam dunk. Oh shit, 1. You snooze, you lose. those greens in. Super delicious and super easy to make. You can also play around, chicken salad, tuna salad, anything you want. Some nice crunch. And that's it. Those are the snacks. But wait, we gotta go outside and show you that good green light. Dad, are you impressed with my little snacks, guys?
Very.
Yay.
This is the deciding factor. What's the review?
You're a loud chewer. You get loud chewing award. Wow.
I'll tax that later.
Okay. All right, guys. I just finished snacking, and now new outfit. Who dis? This is the new guest. I am obsessed. Ooh. Gonna do a little stretch and workout with Graham, and you're gonna join. Are you ready? Yeah. Graham.
Graham wants to join.
Do yoga? Are you gonna show off? Show everyone. Yep. Who's a good boy? Good boy. I'm not gonna eat my hair. This is a routine. This is every single time. Are you so cute? Do I love you the most? Am I gonna miss you so much? Okay, let's go back to yoga. You ready? Let's go. Graham, say peace out, yo. Say peace. Have a good day. You're the cutest little boy ever, yeah. Thank you guys for joining us today. Gonna go finish our workout, but first, make sure you like and subscribe, and we will be back soon. Love you, bye.